200 push-ups challenge. Today we're going to do 200 push-ups. Don't worry if you're doing so many repetitions for the first time. As we are breaking into 10-10, it will be easy. We can do it. First set, 10 repetitions. As we are doing more counts, more sets, you can give a little bit more break based on your capacity till you get the oxygen levels up, you get the break. Again you can start. As I've done 5 sets now, I need a little bit more time compared to first and second set. This is the time where we think we cannot do more, and normally chances of giving up is more. Now listen to your body, take 10 seconds extra rest, how your body wants, understand oxygen demands. Once you're recovered, again hit back. One more set to complete 100. Ooh, 100. We are done with 100. Intentionally, I'm not editing the video after each set so that you can follow along or you can do workout along with me. You can observe what I'm doing between each set to set, how much time I'm taking rest. We are done with 100. 100 more to go, but don't worry, we will do in 10-10 splits. We have done 120, 80 more to go, just 8 more sets. Between each set, you can observe your body. It's like a meditation. You close your eyes, you can understand what is happening in your body, what you are going through. With respect to your blood rushing, your body temperature, your breathing, everything is high, your heartbeat. Good. Let's enjoy the process, do workout, 13th set. One 130 we are done with. I can feel chest muscle pumped up and triceps pumped up, which are primary muscles working out in this. Overall upper body is involved in this workout. Come on, 14 set. $60 more to go. It's fun. Awesome. 150 done, just 50 more. Once in a while, we can test this way our body strength, how many repetitions we can do, how much we can push our body. So once in a week, I would like to do like testing my fitness levels. 16th set. Ooh. 40 more. Seventeenth set. Let's make it more interesting. We'll do hand release push-ups. Go down, be on the floor, release your hands, then push up. Thirty more. This is the time our mind is literally blank and no thoughts, no other thoughts, just thinking of how to finish. 30 more, 10 each, with perfect form as much as possible. Okay, next round. Now, 180, 20 more. Getting difficult, but I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to know what is my strength level. Just one more set, 10 more. We are done with 200 goal. Don't worry, I'm not crying. It's a sweat. Ooh, 200 done. I don't know how much time I'll check and post it in the video. Great feeling. You also do it. Don't worry about the time. If you're taking 10 more seconds extra between each set to set, go ahead and do it. Do not limit yourself. Push your graph. Do 200. Let me know how you feel at the end of the workout. If you're motivated and you're able to take up this challenge, I'll be the most happiest person. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.